Hello, Entry 3 students. I hope you're all okay. We're all here at home. Um, I'm sure you're at home too. Thank you for the homework you've sent me, for your emails. Not everybody sent me, but I think most of you have. Jenny especially, thank you, because you've sent me probably the most homework. So keep sending me emails, keep sending me homework. This week's lesson is from your books. That's the Total English. That's this book. I'll just talk you through this week's lesson that you can email me. Check your email for exactly instructions for what to do. But let's just have a look at that lesson now. So let me share my screen. Okay. So this week's lesson is from page 84. It's all about Usain Bolt, one of the fastest people in the world. It's a reading lesson. So you need to read the text. When you finish reading, there in exercise 2, answer the questions. In exercise 3, explain the significance of the phrases. The significance means the meaning of the phrases in the text. For example, his shoelaces were undone. So that means it was amazing that Bolt won the gold medal in Beijing because he didn't tie his shoelaces completely before the race. You need to then go and explain these phrases. For example, number 1, lightning bolt. That's the title of the article. And lightning bolts, the meaning of lightning bolts, well, Bolt is his name, and lightning just means very, very fast. So number 1, lightning bolt means very, very fast. Usain Bolt. A talent for sprinting. So you need to find the expression, a talent for sprinting. That's here, I could see, a talent for sprinting. Now, what does that mean, a talent for sprinting? You can use your dictionary for this. You might need to use your dictionary to look up talent and sprinting. But a talent for sprinting means if you have a talent for something, for example, a talent for playing the piano, it means you're good at playing the piano. You be a talent for football means you're good at football. So talent means that you're good at something. Sprinting means running very fast for short distances, a bit like Usain Bolt. He did the 100 meters and 200 meters, short distances. That's sprinting. So a talent for sprinting means good at running short distances. Continue with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Write your answers in the email. On the next page, that was page 84, but on the next page, page 85, vocabulary, exercise 5. You need to listen to the recording that I've sent you in the email and circle or just write down in your email the numbers you hear. So which numbers do you hear from recording 20? It's track 20. Okay. Also have a look at exercise 6. Now I think in my email I forgot to put down exercise 6, but that's a very good exercise to do. I want you to write the question. For example, how fast or how long do you usually walk? What's the correct answer? Fast or long? It's how fast is the correct English. And then you can write an answer for you. How fast do you usually walk? And you could write very quickly, or very slowly, or about normal, average. Question 2, how tall, how far is your home from here? The correct English is how far. How far is your home from here? So write that in your email, and you can tell me how far your home is. Well, here, let's call it the college. How far is your home from college? Is it, 2 miles, 3 miles? Or maybe you can write how long it takes. It takes me 10 minutes by car. Okay, and continue for the other questions. Exercise 7 is the grammar. It's the past simple, past continuous, past continuous and past simple. Both are in the past. These two things students can sometimes confuse because they are similar. They're both in the past, but let's look at the difference or the differences. So, A, we use now is it past simple or past continuous to talk about an action in progress at a particular time in the past? Well, it's the past continuous. So, for example, while they were growing up, we're growing up, that's the past continuous. That's an action in progress. They were growing up. They spent most of their time playing cricket and football. Okay, so we use past continuous to talk about an action happening in progress. It's not completed at that time, it's in progress. B, we use the past simple, that's what you need to write in there, to talk about complete actions in the past. Complete, meaning finished, things that are finished. Example, he won 3 gold medals. Won, that's the past simple. It's finished. In high school, he didn't train very hard. Didn't train, past simple. It's finished. And C, we use the past continuous. So write that in, past continuous in the space, to talk about a longer action interrupted by another action in the past simple. The example here, he was running around at primary school when a teacher noticed he had a talent for sprinting. He was running, that's the past continuous. That's the longer action. He was running at primary school when a teacher noticed. That's an interrupted action, a shorter action. So we use the past simple for that. He had a talent for sprinting. Another example might be, I was having a shower. Having a shower, that's a long action. When the phone rang, that's short action. Long action was having a shower. Short action that interrupts is the phone rang. So for the long action, use the past continuous. For the interruption or short action, use the past simple. There's some other information you can read about there. So using that information about the past simple and past continuous, you need to complete the spaces. Complete the paragraph with the past simple or past continuous forms of the verbs in brackets. Now, this is about Lewis Hamilton. He's the motor racing driver, Formula One. Lewis Hamilton. Now, are you going to use the past simple, became, or the past continuous, was becoming? The youngest ever Formula One world champion in 2008 at the age of 23. The answer for that, Lewis Hamilton became, past simple. It's finished. It's 2008. It's finished. So past simple. Continue with the rest, choosing past simple or past continuous. You don't need to do the pronunciation. If you like, you can invent a story. That's up to you. But certainly do exercise 8. There's another exercise I sent you about Ramadan, because it's the month of Ramadan at the moment. I thought that might be interesting. So look at that attachment in the email and read the text and send me the answers to those 10 questions. Okay. I think that's it for now. Good luck with your homework. Hope you're all safe at home, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.